Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to change eye color in Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, double click and select this image. And hit open. Cool. Now go to Adjustment Layer Options and choose Hue or Saturation Adjustment Layer. Here enable the Colorize option. Then slide this icon to choose your favorite color. Also adjust the saturation. Now hit Ctrl-I for invert option. Take the brush tool. Set the foreground color to white. And paint on the eyeball like this. If you paint something extra outer, just set the foreground color to black. And paint on the extras like this. Cool. Still we have a chance to change the color of this layer. Just double click on this layer thumbnail and select your favorite color. Perfect. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.